Hi, this is Brian. Welcome back to another Heroic Plus One. In the last few Plus Ones, we spent some time talking about how to win the game of life by focusing on what's important right now. I'd like to continue that discussion, and this time I'd like to invite my friend Sean Casey back to the party so he can share his insanely inspiring take on the subject. Quick context. As we've discussed, Sean was voted the friendliest guy in baseball by Sports Illustrated. They nicknamed him the Mayor, and he's now part of Major League Baseball's Emmy-winning show, MLB Tonight. He also has his own podcast. It's appropriately called The Mayor's Office. Now, recently, he had a guy on his show who was also a fan of Heroic. They had a little chat about the app, and Sean went off about how the app has changed his life. It's probably the best overview of the app, especially for sports fans, I've ever seen. It's so good that I want to share it here now. So let's head to the Mayor's office for a special field trip. I'll see you in less than 2 minutes. Here's Sean going off.
I'm excited talking to you. Hang on, Chich. I got to talk to Tim for another second. So I look at it this way, and Brian Johnson talks about this. If you, me, and Chinch went out and played baseball right now, and we were on this open field, and I pitched Tim crushes one, Chinch goes and runs and gets it, we come back, we're like, yeah, this is fun. Well, that's not as much fun as if we take the foul lines and we run them down each line and we put foul poles up. We put a 330 sign in the corner, 385, 410. We put a fence up that says if you hit it over this fence, you get 1 point. If guys are on base, you get 3, 4, 2, 3, 4 points. This guy, we're gonna put a mound up with a rubber. It's gonna be 60 feet, 6 inches away because that seems fair. You're gonna throw it to me. We're gonna compete. We're gonna get after it. Holy shit, here we go. This is tough. Fun, right? I think of that as heroic. Heroic is my foul lines it's my game. It's my game of life. So I line up, what are my routines? What are my habits? What do I got to do to win my morning? What am I going to do at night to get better sleep? What time do I need to get upstairs? What book am I going to read? How am I going to serve my kids today? How am I going to serve my buddies today? And all of a sudden at the end of the day, I go, man, that was a great game today. Holy shit. You know what I mean? It's like you start creating your own game because you've created the boundaries. And that heroic app, when you're shooting that arrow into your targets, it's a dopamine. It's just like, man, this is so freaking awesome. And all of a sudden you start to realize, wow, you've created some habits and routines that is giving you the life that you've always wanted. Let's go.
Let's go. Exactly.
Now, if that doesn't fire you up, I don't know what will. Seriously, that's today's Plus One. Here's to making the game of life heroically fun. As always, not someday, today.